Hello children, yesterday we have derived two formulae, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to c by n. Okay, here I have written those formulae. Let us study one problem where we have the application of these two formulae, okay, and extended application of the formulae. The problem is, if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, x plus 5 is equal to 24 by x, calculate alpha beta plus beta by alpha. We have written in the solution given equation, rearrange the equation in the general form. By comparison, we have got the values of a, b and c. Okay. After getting the values of a, b and c, we calculate alpha plus beta, which is minus b by a, that comes out to be minus 5. Alpha beta is equal to c by a, the value of c is minus 24 by 1, which is minus 24. So alpha plus beta is minus 5, alpha beta is equal to minus 24. Now, before taking the next step, we have to slightly foresee what quantities do we need. Alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha, if we try to simplify, we get alpha square plus beta square upon alpha beta. So in the numerator, I need the value of alpha square plus beta square, and therefore I have written this formula: alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Alpha plus beta I have already calculated, that I am substituting. Alpha beta is minus 24, that is also ready, so I have put that here. Then minus 5 square is 25, 24 twos are minus 48, transfer it to the left side, the total comes out to be 73, and interchange the sides. That's all. We have calculated the value of alpha square plus beta square, which is 73. Normally in the examinations, the questions are asked till here only. I have deliberately given you extended question so that in case a question like this appears, you should be able to solve. The value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, this is what we want to find out. We know that this is equal to alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. Now alpha square plus beta square is 73. Let us put it here. Alpha beta is equal to minus 24. That also we put here, and write the final answer, that alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to minus 73 by 24. So it is very simple to calculate the required quantities. Okay, easy example.